Here is how I would use AI to build a startup from scratch in 150 seconds. No fluff, just a 3-minute startup map you can steal today. Ready? Step 1. Nail the problem. I open ChatGPT, I open Claude. I ask, list 10 painful problems for my target audience, ranked by urgency and willingness to pay. I pick one where buyers already spend money. Step 2. Fast research. I use Perplexity to scan competitors, read reviews with an AI summary, extract gaps. What do customers hate and what do they love? Step 3. Positioning. For who? Struggling with the core problem, I offer the solution, unlike competitors, because I have a unique angle. Step 4. MVP in a week. ChatGPT or Claude for prompts and logic. Bubble for the app shell, or Softer for the app shell. Zapier for automation. Make for automation. Stripe for payments. Notion or Airtable as the database. I build only the one magic workflow that creates value. Everything else is a placeholder. Step 5. Landing page and waitlist. AI drafts hero copy. AI drafts FAQs. AI drafts pricing. AI drafts a demo script. Ship with Tally or TypeDream and embed a quick Loom demo. Add Stripe, pre-orders or offer $0 trials. Step 6. Validation sprint. Goal 10 paid users or 100 qualified signups in 14 days. Email 50 niche prospects with an AI personalized opener. Post a problem thread with a Calendly link. Run $100 of targeted ads for email capture. Step 7. Pricing. AI helps me draft 3 tiers. Price by outcome, not features. Keep the annual plan front and center. Simple beats complex. Step 8. Distribution engine. Batch 10 short videos with AI scripts. Schedule on YouTube Shorts. Schedule on LinkedIn. Schedule on TikTok. Repurpose via Opus. Repurpose via Descript. Ask AI to create 7 email drips. Story, proof, demo, and offer-led messages. Step 9. Onboarding and retention. Create a 5-minute AHA checklist. Use in-app tooltips and a triggered help bot. Measure activation rate, weekly usage, and churn. Step 10. Legal and trust. Generate a basic privacy policy. Add a clear data use page and real testimonials or screens. Want more AI startup playbooks? Subscribe and comment map for the checklist.